everybody, welcome to Veena's Bharatnatyam. Today we will see how to drape a saree for Bharatnatyam dance. I have taken a very simple saree and you need to take half of it, and then one side has to be longer, the other has to be shorter. So the longer side should be the pallu side. Tie a knot tightly. Also make sure that you are wearing a legging or a comfortable pant underneath your saree so that it will be easy for you to start the dance or do the dance. Take the left section and bring it through your legs. And bring it at the front. Start plaiting this part. And tuck it at the center next. And take the other side. Make it something like this, a pant. The face. To the side. Just tuck it on the back for a second. Bring it from the front and tuck it on the back so that we can work on our pallu. Take the pallu and just and secure it with a safety pin. Now you can either take this pallu and just tie it around. So here, this is one way of tying the saree. So you can have your all types of Bharatnatyam movement. Well, I hope you like this method of saree draping for Bharatnatyam. Thank you so much for watching Veena's Saree.